Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So it's about 9 a.m. Eastern here in US. So let's do a Bitcoin morning video review. Alright. Bitcoin is trading at 8,110 right now. So before we get it started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit those notification and those bell icon so you can get this content right away. And if you think this video is helping you with your trading, with your investing in crypto market, then please do give me thumbs up. Alright, so let's get it started. Let's do a quick recap on Bitcoin price action. So back in March, we were trying to get out of the 11,000, go past the 11,700 level, which were creating this inverse head and shoulder pattern. So if you see this pattern that we were in from mid-January to February, it was creating this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we were trying to get out of that inverse head and shoulder pattern to break that neckline, which is right around that 11,700, which we failed a couple of times. So we created 11,900 here, 11,900 again in early March, but we did not have a follow through, and we had a lot of lack of volume. And then we had this drastic down sell on a couple of bearish news event, and the market pretty much sold off. Then we tried to find a bottom on March 31st, tried it again, created this double bottom on the April 6th, and then now we are breaking this major trend line that I have been talking about, which is coming all the way from the 20,000 mark, which we made early in I think it was in December, late December. So we are breaking that. What right now we are seeing is the resistance from the trend line, which is coming from the February time frame. It acted as a support in March 19th. Then again right now it's acting as a resistance. Alright, so we are trying to get over that trend line, consolidating. Right now we had a breakout, consolidating. So the key is to get over this trend line. Alright, for Bitcoin to have a momentum, we must get over this trend line within this week. Alright, the trend line and the price point resistance, there is some significant resistance at this level. Alright, so don't get this 8400 level. 8400 level is not an easy level to cross. Alright, I want to emphasize that 8400 level is it will be hard to get over that 8400 level in Bitcoin. Just because this is a significant resistance, there are a few things that are going on here. There's a moving average, there is a resistance from the trend line, and then there's a price action trading that took place previously. So there is some a good amount of resistance at that 8400 level. So keep that in mind. Alright, I think the volume is getting better, but we still need some follow through. I haven't seen the follow through on the upside yet, so I would like to see some nice follow through. And if we were to break that resistance of 8400, then we will need significant volume to get into the market, and which we can easily get, because right now the bulls have a better odds, they have the better momentum, so we can easily get that. So this is the opportunity for the bulls to make their case and run toward that 9400 mark. Alright, this is the time for them to push the market upward and really make their case that hey, the Bitcoin is undervalued and it is ready to make ready to go toward the upward direction. Alright, so if we can do that with a good volume, then that will be pretty solid. Alright, let's just look at the news real quick. just scan through. I mean, nothing that is really strikes me as a, like, you know, something as a red flag. Yeah, it's just regular. I don't see anything as a red flag. So just to do a recap, right now we are, like, you know, consolidating in Bitcoin, but we need to get over that 8400 mark in Bitcoin. That will act as a significant resistance. All right, on the downward side, we have 7750 as a support for Bitcoin, but if we can get over this 8400 level with a nice strong volume, then I can see Bitcoin marching toward 9400 fairly soon. All right, so that's pretty much on Bitcoin. Let's look at Litecoin while we were talking about it. I was just watching Litecoin, and Litecoin is coming to this apex where it's going to have a major breakout. All right, so right now it's coming to this apex. Is trading at 136 right now. There will be, if we can go past this level, if we can break this trend line on the upward direction, this will be a major breakout in Litecoin, because that's the resistance trend line which is coming all the way from the that 400 mark that it made earlier in the year. Okay, so it's matter of time that we're gonna see a breakout in Litecoin. Again, that will dictate this breakout. Obviously, we need to have a healthier market. We need to make sure the market remains healthy, but the breakout in Litecoin will come fairly soon, because it's coming at this apex, a major apex, if you will, in Litecoin. Okay, I will do a separate review on Litecoin fairly soon. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. Right now, as I said, it's consolidating. Bulls have more momentum, they have better odds, but we need to, like, keep on pushing with the volume up. If we don't bring the enough volume, if the bulls cannot bring enough volume, then, you know, people will start taking those profit, and we might see that 77 or 7800 level as a support for a time being. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Keep an eye on that 8400 level in Bitcoin, 84, 85. If we can cross that with a nice volume, that will be a very bullish sign. Alright, so if you have any question, just post it in the comment. I'm still doing the portfolio analysis. If you want me to take a look at your portfolio, then send me an email and we'll go from there. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye.